Hi viewers, I'm right now in Springs. I have upgraded villa here, and this villa it is converted into 4 bedrooms. Actually, by Imar it is 3 bedroom plus maid, but they removed the maid and they convert it into the 4 bedroom, and it has here uh, living space as well next to kitchen. I'm will show you inside the villa, and this is the garden which is beautiful outside, and we'll go inside and see the villa. uh, Actually I'm using this mobile, that's why I cannot be on the screen all the time. That's what and please subscribe my channel, and if you want to see the Dubai inside, Dubai properties, Dubai villas, Dubai apartments, if you want to see the inside, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Hello guys, this is a 2E villa which is upgraded, and this laundry space you have here, and this it should be a 3 bedroom villa, but he changed, converted, upgraded into 4. So you can see here 1 bedroom. Yeah, they are going on the top to see other 3 bedroom, but with one is lock. I can show you the two villas, bedrooms. This is a upgraded kitchen. I mean bathroom. Sorry. Yeah. This door is lock. This is steady. And it's a master bedroom. That's the lake. the garden of the villa.